Hey peeps, and welcome back to my channel. So through all of the complaints that we have received about my background, I decided to try to switch it up for this video, even though I don't give a fuck. We're gonna see if this helps you guys. I'll be really trying with y'all. We're also gonna do a Q&A pretty soon, just so you guys can get to know me. I get to know you guys a little bit, and you guys can understand my personality. Right now, both of my brows, I tried to arch them. They're a little bit different.
Oh my God!
They're not the same, but we're gonna do a look today using some paint brushes because I did purchase a couple paint brushes. I don't know what I did with them. They're around here somewhere, but I did purchase those, so I'm gonna do my brows and then I'll come back and we'll start our makeup look. Let's go. Today we will be doing a super simple look. We're going to try to do like a little brown, maybe like I'm not really sure. Y'all know I don't ever know what I'm doing until we finally get into it, but let's go ahead and start out with this brown color right here. So let's go ahead and do that. We're gonna apply that all to the lid and then we'll, you know, build from there. Okay, so I've already done one eye and we're gonna go ahead and do the other eye. Give me a second. Let me just wipe this stuff out of my eye. Wipe that crease out. So you guys know I start out with the NYX eyeshadow base in the shade white. So right now we're just going to apply this color all over, mama. Well, not really all over, but just, you know, into the crease or whatever. So just going to apply that. Again, just kind of bringing it down towards your nose. It's very, very, very important. So bring it down towards the nose. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me turn this down, just tap it. There you go. So yeah, we're just gonna blend. You guys know blending is super important. You can make this color as bright as you would like. I think I'm gonna kind of make it a little bit bright because we're gonna go in with a darker brown, not really too brown, but I kind of want this look to be pretty nude today. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Oh my, give me a second, guys. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with another color, which is this color right here. We're gonna go in with that color. We're gonna put that right into our crease. Honey child, boo boo girl. Just kind of look up. Y'all, I did track where my brushes are. They did leave Jamaica Queens. We are now 2 months in. People waiting on these damn brushes, but they are coming. At least that's what the tracking say is coming. With this color, I do not want to go past the arch in my brow. You guys, I tried to arch my brows myself today, and yeah, I wound up taking up like too much off of, was it this one? Like this one came out perfect. I really liked the way it was shaped. I was like, okay, cool. Then I tried to like arch the other one and it was just like, yeah, no, it's enough for me, dog. Like it just ain't gonna work. It just did not come out well at all. So, you know, you live and you learn. Some of your shit comes out great and other shit comes out like whatever, you know? So I'm a little bit afraid to like not wear my makeup because I'm like, if I don't have my makeup on one day, like your eyes is gonna be looking crazy. So I'm just kind of building up the color in my crease. Just kind of building it. I think I want to do a matte look today. I'm not really sure. I think I'm gonna go matte. Let's go matte because I'm like shimmer. I love me a good shimmer, but I've been having like such a hard time with getting shimmer to either show up on camera or to get shimmer to show up in photos. So we'll just save the shimmer for the days that we don't record. Sounds good to me. Okay, I think that's a nice little build up on it. So now I'm gonna do the other eye and then I'll be back, guys. Turn you off somehow. Okay, so now just to darken this up just a tad bit, we are going to go in with this color right here. We're just gonna darken it up just a little bit, just a little. So we're gonna just apply that in that same area, kind of working that into the crease. Again, not passing the arch. There you go. The arch of your brow. You just want to keep it in there. Okay. I don't know why I just did my other eye on camera. I mean, that's good for you guys though. Well, bam. Just gonna do it right here on camera. Like nobody's watching. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I promise I'm gonna do a Q&A about my personality so you guys can get to know it. I'm a little cuckoo. I'm a little crazy. Okay, so we're just gonna apply that right there. And I also noticed that my music in the last video was like super loud, so I apologize. I'm working on that, but I'll be right back. Okay, so now we're gonna do my cut crease, you guys. I did do a haul. I did go to, what is that store? Hobby Lobby, and I bought like all of these brushes. These are paint brushes. I fucking love them. They were only $5.99, and you know your girl had her little 40% coupon off, so they was a lot cheaper. And then I also did go to Sephora, and I purchased the Fenty, what is this? The setting powders. Big too, for 32 bucks. You get a lot. You get your money's worth. And then I also purchased the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip glosses in the color Toffee and Sunscape. So we'll be trying these in the video today. Once I get closer to using these products, I will be telling you guys about my experience at Sephora. Horrible. I will let you guys know about that, so just make sure that you tune in because story time is coming up, boo. But let's just finish these eyes first, and then we'll go into story time, and we'll, you know, I'm gonna let y'all know what the real is and why I do not shop at fucking Sephora at all. Period. Period, poo.
Y'all are going to jail. Period.
So let me go ahead and do my cut. I'll come back. We'll finish the eyes, and you know, we'll get to rocking and the rolling. Y'all know how we do. Turn off. Damn it. Okay, peeps, so I just wanted to show you guys what I used to cut my crease today. I used this little paintbrush. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's pretty nasty right now. My hands are too. But I used this little paintbrush. I got it again from Hobby Lobby. Honestly, I think it did make the lines a lot more precise. Do I think I'll use it every day? No, probably when I have time. As of right now, this brush is very dirty. Let me try to clean it before I show you guys. This is the brush that I normally use. I believe it's like an eyeshadow brush, but I kind of flattened it down and I just use it to cut my crease. I personally prefer this brush. I just had been hearing so much stuff about the paintbrushes, so I was like, well, let me try it. I've tried it. It's okay. I'm not really sure if I care for it too much, but it's okay. Sorry about that. Let's go ahead and start with our color. Again, this is going to be something that is super simple for my everyday girl. If you want to rush, you know, today I did not have to work. Today is Saturday, peeps, so I'm off from work, so I can really take my time and explain things to you guys the way I need to. So let me clean off my brush, but the next color that we're going to be going in with is this color right here. So let me clean off my brush and we'll go in with that color, and yeah, let's do this. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and go in with like that little brown color, and we're gonna start it back here, you know, just to kind of ease our way in from the dark brown to this like brown color or whatever. Y'all know how we do. Y'all know how we do it. That was super wag. I probably shouldn't have did that. I'll probably cut that. I'll probably cut that out. Okay. If you guys have been rocking with me, then y'all know how easy it is to do cut creases like this stuff right here. Once you get the basics down, you straight, you know? Just get the basics down, and then you're gonna be good. You're gonna be like a cut crease pro, mama. Just gonna put that all over. We're gonna kind of blend it into the brown color. I'm trying to think if I should do like a cream or like a light pink and then go. Not really sure, y'all. Y'all know me, stuff just be happening. So what you guys see me doing right here is just going in with that deeper shade color that we initially applied to the crease. And I'm just going in and just making sure it's like a flawless blend. It's not, you know, like, oh, like this one, it's kind of, you got like the, I don't even know what color that would be, like the burgundy, and then you go into like this deep one. You don't want that. You want it to be like a flawless blend. From one color to the next, and if you just kind of go into the crease and just blend it, you shall be fine. Okay, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna just do one more like coat of that, just up in here to make sure you straight. Make sure you can still see the color. I'm not really sure if I should go in with like a cream next. A cream and maybe a white. I don't know if I should do like 2 colors or whether I should do 3. My 2 color look seems to be very, very popular. So hell, why not? Let's just do 2 color. Let's just do 2 color. Why not? This color, which is like this. Can I hold it back? Can y'all see that? Okay, that color. And then we're gonna go in with possibly a white. I'm not sure. Let's see how this goes first. So let's go in with the cream. Let's see. Let me see how this looking. Let me see. Okay. You just want to lightly brush it onto the previous color. And then I'll probably go in with white too, because I'm feeling kind of special today. So, yeah. We just want to do a nice little build up. You guys know how I feel about building colors. I can't even talk. Y'all, it's like 8 o'clock at night and my bedtime is 8. So if I begin to just kind of ramble, please forgive me. I get sleepy. So, yeah. Okay, peeps. So this is the eyeshadow. I'm getting ready to do the, what do you call that? My face. So I did add white in the inner corners. My camera cut off mid me talking. So yeah, I guess I'm running out of storage, but let me go ahead and do my face and I will come back and we'll go ahead and discuss some products for you. All right, peeps, here is the official review. Let's go. So I'm gonna set my face with this Fenty Beauty. This is in the shade Honey, and we're gonna see how this actually works. Hopefully it's amazing. So it comes in this pretty big size. I don't know how the hell I'm supposed to do this. Hang on, let me figure this out. I'll be back. So I normally take a brush and apply, like this brush is like this big. I normally apply my setting powder that way. So let's just see how you doing, Miss Riri. I mean, I'm late to the party, but still, let's see. Okay. I mean, this is kind of like it. Okay, I'm gonna set it and just see how long, you know, how you set it, Miss Riri. But I mean, for right now, I'm kind of digging it. Definitely does not take a lot. It goes on pretty smooth. Let me see here. Let me see what we're working with. You guys know I normally use like Makeup Revolution, and I mix them to where they are this color of honey. I kind of like it. Smells delicious, delightful. Okay, let me bake with this for a little bit and then I will come back and I'll show you guys the finished result. Okay, peeps, so this is me baking with the Fenty Beauty. I mean, for right now, from what I can see, it may look different on camera when I play it back, but from what I can see, I think it looks pretty good. I have not wiped it off, of course. I have to wipe it off, and then I will come back and let you guys know. As far as the lips go, I did use the Anastasia Beverly Hills. I used both. So I put on my lip liner, and then I went in immediately with Toffee. I didn't use any lipstick. And then I went over the Toffee with the Sunscape. And I kind of like that as well. So I can't say my Sephora trip was all bad. If you guys are interested in knowing about my Sephora trip, I will be uploading a separate video about that. So make sure you're on the lookout for that as well. All right, people. So get that one in there. This is my finished look. Yeah, I mean, I didn't add too much glow for my ladies that just want something simple for every day. This is an everyday look. It's very cute, very simple, very easy, peeps. Get into it. But yeah, just, you know, if you enjoyed watching this video, then make sure that you give me a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel, peeps. I love y'all, and I'm happy that y'all watching. All right, I'm gonna stop being weird and just go ahead and give you guys the full view. Let's go.